Hi there, if you're new here, my name is Fate Intervention, welcome. Normally you guys know me from doing drag makeup, but today I'm going to do something else. I'm going to start a makeup artist series where I'm going to do makeup on models. Today I'm starting with a nude glam look. It's one of my signature looks. So get something to eat, get something to drink, and let's get into this video. My model for today is the beautiful Floortje. We are friends and you get to see that throughout the video. For skin prep, I'm going to be starting with a moisturizer. I'm using the Release Cream Concentrate. It really makes your skin very comfortable. I'm going to apply that all over her skin just to get her skin ready for makeup. I'm going to be hydrating her lips and I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Hydra Bump Element Lip Gloss. I really want this to sit and sink into the lips so that by the time I get to the lips, they are nice and hydrated. I'm using this Got To Be Hairspray to lock her eyebrows in place immediately. I'm going to continue her brows later on. I want to go with eye first, so I'm going in with this Morphe eye primer. It's really a great base for eyeshadow. I love using this eye primer. It starts tacky and dries down to a matte and smooth texture and has a bit of a tint to cancel out any discoloration. Today I'm using this nude palette by Beauty Bay. It's really one of my favorite palettes. I'm going in with the shade Nothing Else. It's really a beautiful beige color and so a great base for this look. The next shade that I'm going in with is Raw Sienna. With this we are going to build a structure. I'm going to apply that color in her crease and above it. I'm going in with the shade Hot Cacao to create a little more depth in her outer corner. I'm kind of placing and blending the shade towards the middle of her lid. Now I'm going in with the shade After Dark. With this shade I'm creating a little wing. I'm blending that wing out towards her outer lid. I'm going to create a cut crease and for that I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I love Estee Lauder, their products are so good, I recommend you trying it out. I'm going in with that concealer and place it on her inner lid and middle lid. Now that I cut her crease, I'm going in with this Beauty Bay liquid eyeshadow. I never used this product before, so I was really excited to try it out. And gosh, it turned out just perfect, even better than I thought before. I'm blending her eyeshadow and end of the cut crease together so that it nicely comes together. I'm going in with this palette by Juvia's Place. I'm using a bit of setting spray to make the shimmer stick better to my brush. I'm taking the shade Morami and Benim and place it in her cut crease to make it pop even more. I'm using this Pupa Made to Last foundation. It pumps well and it has a beautiful runny creamy texture. A little goes a long way and it's very buildable for more coverage and is definitely long lasting. Going in with that same concealer that I used to cut her crease, I'm going to apply it on her under eyes, forehead, nose and chin. I'm using a makeup sponge to blend it out nicely and perfect. For contouring, I'm using this Morphe Complexion Pro palette. The colors are beautiful. I am totally in love with this palette. I'm starting with the shade Bronzer and after that I'm taking the shade Contour to create a little more depth. I'm applying this contour on her under cheeks, jawline and forehead. To set this concealer, I'm using this Kimchi Puff Puff Pass Banana Powder. That name! I love this powder. I'm using it a lot for myself as well. I almost forgot to contour her nose, so I went in with the shade Bronzer again to contour her nose and set it after with the kimchi powder. For brows, I'm using this Freedome Pro HD palette in medium dark. I'm just applying a little bit on her brows to make them a bit darker. I'm using this clear brow and mascara gel to make them look gorgeous and finished. I'm applying some eyeshadow on her lower lash line to finish this beautiful eyeshadow. As I said, I'm applying some, not too much, because you will look like a panda. I'm going in with some highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, shade Butterscotch. I'm applying that highlighter in her inner corner, cupid's bow, nose, tip of her nose, cheekbones, chin and forehead. This blush is so cute. I am in love with this package and the shades are so pretty. I'm going in with this blush by Makeup Revolution, the mini trio Oh My Blush Flamingo palette. Anyways, I'm applying it gentle and with caution because blush can be very pigmented and ruin your whole look. For lips, I'm using this liner by Give Face Cosmetics. It's a brand created by drag queens, so we stand our sisters and support them. I love a good brown liner. I'm filling her lips in with matte lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This color is everything. I'm living for it. It's really one of my go-to colors. I finish her lips by applying some highlighter on her lips. And I set her face with the amazing Urban Decay All Nighter. Amazing setting spray. So this is the final look. I'm really happy with the outcome. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. I want to thank you all so much and hope to see you all again soon. And don't forget to follow me on my social media at Fate Intervention and to subscribe to my channel. And thank you all so much for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye!